Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup breadcrumbs. First, gather your stale bread. Day-old sourdough or French bread works wonderfully. Cut the bread into 1-inch cubes to ensure they dry evenly. Then, spread them on a baking sheet and toast them in an oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until golden brown. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crunch. Once your bread cubes are cool, it's time to add the signature tomato soup flavor. In a food processor, combine the toasted bread with 1 packet of dried tomato soup mix. Enhance the taste further with 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Pulse these ingredients until you achieve fine, uniform breadcrumbs. Be careful not to overprocess them into a paste. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen tips. And speaking of enjoying things, sometimes after a good meal, I love to curl up with a great book. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere, even in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Proper storage ensures your breadcrumbs stay fresh and delicious. Transfer your freshly made tomato soup breadcrumbs into an airtight container. You can store them in a cool, dry pantry for up to 2 weeks, or freeze them for longer preservation. These versatile crumbs are perfect for adding a savory crunch to baked chicken, topping a casserole, or binding your favorite meatloaf recipe. Enjoy the homemade difference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.